In this video, I'm going to walk through how to create a new program enrollment for a rider. In the application, there are two different ways to do this. I'm going to walk through both ways, and then we'll complete the program enrollment wizard. Both of the ways of navigation will create the same end result. I'm currently logged into my agency administrator profile. To show the first path to creating a new program enrollment, I'm going to select riders. I'm going to find my rider and select View More Details. I'm going to select Enrollment. Here I'll be able to view all of their current enrollments. I'll select the New Enrollment button. And here I'll be taken to a wizard where I'll be able to configure that new enrollment. An alternative way to access this wizard is through the Voucher program instead. So I'm going to select the Programs tab. I'm going to select the voucher program that I want. Select Riders and select New Enrollment. This is taking me to the same screen, and going through this wizard will create the same enrollment. But these are just two different ways, one coming from the rider profile and one coming from the voucher program profile. I'm going to go ahead and select my rider. My voucher program is already configured, and it's not required that I add any notes, but it is available if you would like to use it. Here I'm going to add my enrolled funding sources. The funding sources available to me are going to be those that are already linked to the voucher program that I've selected. And we'll see here that this funding source is requiring a rider eligibility form, so we'll take a look at what filling that out is going to look like. So the survey is asking for the age of the rider. This field is going to be automatically filled out based on the date of birth that is supplied in the rider profile. So this rider is 75. When I evaluate, we'll see that the rider is eligible. From here, I'll be able to add a pending allocation. I'm going to select my program funding window and select my start and end dates. These start and end dates are going to need to be within that program funding window. I'm going to allocate this rider $100, and you'll see that subtracted from the available funding bar. Selecting Save. Now that I have my allocations and survey set up, I'm going to go ahead and finish this program enrollment. That funding will now be available to the rider, and you'll be taken back to the view of whichever object you came from.